Well, I'm putting the spotlight on the electronic manufacturing services. It's called EMS. How big is this opportunity? A lot of stocks are buzzing in the last couple of months as well. In fact, last week we saw a debut of a new company called IQ Lightings, and that listed at a 45% premium to the issue price. And in fact, next week we're going to see another company which will issue, the issue will open for that. That is Cyient DLM, the demerged arm of Cyient, and the issue will open on June 27. So there is a lot of buzz which is going around in this particular space. So let's look at the bigger picture, the large picture, and how big is this opportunity. Globally, the market is expected to be $3 trillion by CY25, and it is growing at a 5% CAGR. Of that, the EMI pie is going to be the fastest moving pie. It's going to reach nearly $1.1 trillion by CY25, and that's going to grow at nearly 5.5%. Now look at the breakup of how the countries are panned out and where India stands currently. India currently has just a 2.2% market share in the global pie. That is going to go up by 4 folds to 7% by CY26. So the opportunity is quite big when you look at the global picture. Now look at the components which contributes to this whole big pie and what is in the radar. The traditional businesses are mobile phones, consumer electronics, and industrials to some extent. Now what will be the growth drivers would be the medical devices, aerospace and defense. That's where a lot of companies are getting into, and the clean energy. That's going to be the big drivers for this EMS plays going forward, and hence you're seeing a lot of action as well. Now look at the stock price movement and the valuation as well, because there is a lot of buzz as well. So I thought I'll put the numbers into perspective. So this year, if you look at the performance of individual stocks, Keynes Technology has nearly doubled in the last 6 odd months. Syrma Technologies is up close to 57%. Avalon is up close to 36 odd percent. But look at the multiples at what they're trading at. Just if you can go back and see, Keynes Technologies is trading at close to 52 times on FY24 price to earnings. Syrma is now trading at 45 times, and Avalon is trading at 40 odd times. Look at the other few names as well, which have been buzzing off late. Dixon Technology has been there for a while now. That stock is up 17% Y2D, but it's still trading at close to 66 times on an FY24 earnings. Amber is trading at close to 36 times. Even that stock is already 25%. And as I spoke about the IQ, the new company which got listed, that's up 53% from the listing price. But keep an eye on the earnings as well, the multiples as well. None of the companies are trading less than 40 times. And while the opportunity is large, and there could be a lot of winners as well, but it's going to be challenging as well. And there are a lot of companies who are actually doing some CDMO work, which will actually benefit in terms of margins. But there has to be some valuation which looks like